Yo, I look rough this morning. So I literally just rolled out of bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and now I'm in the kitchen. I don't know what kind of vlog this is gonna be. I just know that I'm about to have some tea and I'm gonna eat breakfast pretty soon. So I'm about to boil some water and have some of my Teami. You guys know I've been drinking this for the past month. If you guys want more in-depth review on this tea, I did it in my last video. I will link it like somewhere up here or like in the link below. I love this tea so much. I'm less bloated all the time and not as constipated, so that's a plus. So I usually eyeball this part, but I put about a couple of tablespoons of the leaves inside of the hot water. Then I'm gonna add the strainer, the lid, let that infuse for a little bit, and this is what I'm gonna drink. So I got this breakfast sandwich from this mom and pop cafe right down the road, and when I tell you, this is the best breakfast sandwich I think I've ever had in my life. It's so good that I always get two, but I try not to have this too much carbs. So this is how it looks. It's literally a croissant with egg and cheese. But let me tell you something, I don't know how they cook their eggs, but it's just so good. It's such a simple sandwich, but it's so freaking good. We literally have a storm coming. Where did it come from? Who knows? Welcome to Florida. I think I'm gonna clean my car, like the interior, right before I work out, because there's a storm coming and there's no point in cleaning the outside, so. Do my makeup real fast. I don't know what the plans are for today, but there's a hurricane coming. It's about to hit St. Pete and Tampa, so I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna stay in Orlando. All right, I'm putting my lashes on. The storm is coming. Look at the alligator over there. Look at it. He's so cute. Right? I'm a professional passenger. A professional passenger. I'm a professional passenger. This hurricane really came out of nowhere. Like, I had no idea. And like, look what I brought to wear. You can tell I wasn't prepared for a hurricane. This is all I brought. This is literally all I brought. If I would have known, I would have like brought some like leggings, a sweater, and some sneakers. So we got a Mexican pizza, light cheese, no meats. Yum. I ordered the marisco mojo de ajo with both scallops and shrimp and Spanish rice and some refried beans. Oh, this is gonna be so good. margarita number 2. That food was so good. So just got back to the house. I'm not even gonna lie. Your girl is a little tipsy. And 2 margaritas. So buy one, get one. Let me collect myself. I'll be back. Okay, so we couldn't really do much today because, like I mentioned before, there is a storm coming. So all we were able to do was go get something to eat. Like we couldn't go out, like go miniature golfing or bowling or anything because ain't nobody trying to be trapped in a storm. I'm gonna make me some tea. I'm gonna make my Teami colon tea and so, like I mentioned before, I am a little tipsy. So I'm gonna take this Teami colon cleanse and I'm just hoping it detoxifies me a little bit. I also ate pretty shitty today, but I had a really big breakfast, skipped lunch, and had a pretty big dinner. I had a carb-heavy day, pretty much. And on top of that, I ate some dessert. So I actually drank this colon cleanse yesterday, and you're supposed to drink it every other day. But I feel like I need it today because, again, like I said, I pretty much had a carb-heavy day. I do love the Teami 30-day detox. I'm less bloated. I feel like I have more energy. And I just overall feel really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and link everything down below, including my coupon code, so you guys can get a percentage off. So I went ahead and boiled my water. And all I'm gonna do is grab a bag and throw it in there. Let that infuse. And I'm gonna be sipping on this all night. So good. So I just got to my sister's house. She's out of town, so I have to feed her cat. She's so cute. Hi, Ming. Oh my goodness. So cute. She's so adorable. Oh, I always like holding her like a baby. Because she's like a baby. Look at her face. Aww. She's so adorable. Aww. Ming Ming. You're the cutest cat in all the land. You're so cute. I'm gonna be taking care of you for the next 5 days. Are you excited? Aw, come here. Let me hug you again. Bye, baby. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time. Okay, finally made it home. I am a grease ball. Actually just got something in the package. I got something in the mail. Okay. So I got a Duvolle Radiance skincare system, and I'm so excited about this because Gabby DiMartino is sponsored by these people. So I'm like, y'all wanna send me a skincare device? Girl, go ahead and send it on over. But I'm not gonna use it in this video. I'm going to like use it for like a week, and I'm gonna record a video and see how it goes. I'm gonna end this video here so I can go ahead and edit this and have this up by tomorrow, because I'm supposed to have it up by Sunday, but your girl is a full-time student. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you like these kind of vlogs. Make sure you like and comment, and if you guys want to see any other videos from me, let me know. See you in my next video.